Hey, hi guys. Welcome to QA Prayogshala. This is Prayog. So, guys, in today's episode, we'll see what is Maven in brief, and we'll see subsequently how to install Maven in the Windows system. Okay. So, let's get started. So, in the previous lecture, right? So, in the previous episode, we had seen the build tools. What do we mean by build in the software, and why do we need the same, right? So, in the build tools, mainly we have Apache ANT and Maven. Okay, these are the very common build tools that we have that are in use. Okay, so in this episode, we'll see what do we mean by Maven in brief, right? What is Maven and why do we need Maven? Okay, so Maven, guys, is basically a build automation tool. Okay, that is used primarily for Java projects, right? So in the Java projects, we normally use Maven as a build automation tool. Okay, so Maven, it can also be used to build and manage projects in other languages also, like C Sharp, Ruby, Scala, and so on. Okay, so that is the brief about Maven. Okay, so Maven basically is a build automation tool. Okay, there are certain advantages also there of the Maven. The very first advantage being it makes the build process easy. Okay, now basically how it makes the build process easy and all that stuff we'll see in the subsequent sessions, right? So you'll understand exactly how it can make our build process easy. Okay, so other advantages it includes, it provides a uniform build system, and finally the dependency management. Okay, so these are some of the advantages of Maven that we have, right? In the subsequent sessions we'll see in depth, right, all the commands and all that stuff. Okay, but for now that is what Maven is. Okay, so that is all about Maven. Now how do we install Maven? Okay, so if I go here, okay, in my Google browser, if I go and if I go to this website, okay, let me just again do that so that you guys understand. Okay, so if I go to Google, right, and if I simply type Maven download, right, this is what I will type. Okay, so you'll see something like this. That is the very first link you will see, that is download Apache Maven. If you click on that link, right, then you will see this page. Okay, so here there are certain system requirements which are given, right, that needs to be followed in order to install Maven. Okay, so that thing you go through. What are the requirements that are needed, okay, in order to install Maven. Now once you come here you will see this thing. Okay, so this is the binary zip archive file. So this is the latest version of Maven. Okay, so if you just click on that link, then that folder zip file, it will be downloaded. Okay, so if you click here, so I have actually already downloaded the same. Okay, so once it is downloaded, right, it is in the downloads folder, it will be in the downloads folder. What you do is you simply unzip this file. Okay, once you unzip this file, right, you need to unzip this file and you need to place this file inside C drive and program files. Okay, so if you go to program files, you can simply paste that folder which you just unzipped into this C program files folder. Okay, then what you need to do, guys, is you need to just double click on that folder. You will see this bin folder over here. Okay, if you click there, just copy this address path. Okay, just copy this and then go to the environment variables, right? just go to the environment variables, that is the system environment variables. Okay, click on environment variables, and here under the user variables you will see this path variable, right? Just edit this and just paste that copied address path here for Maven. Okay, that is one thing. Secondly, you need to also go to system variables and just go to this path variable again, just edit that. Okay, and just paste the Apache Maven copied address path here also. Okay, now you are good to go, right? If you just now go to command prompt, okay, just type in cmd, okay, and if you just type in mbn version, right, then if it is successfully installed, then you will see something like this. Okay, in my case it is successfully installed, so it is showing something like this, right? So that is what you need to do in order to install Maven. Okay, so let me know guys if you still have any doubts in the installation of Maven. By following these steps you should be easily able to install Maven. Okay, and you can also find this thing here also, right? So if you open this folder, okay, if you open this file readme, right, then here you will see there are certain system requirements which is given. Okay, and how to install Maven, it is given in the Windows based system and also in the Mac or Linux based system. Mine is a Windows based system, so I just showed how to install this in the Windows, but similarly you can also install for the Unix or the Mac OS also, right? That complete part is also provided here. So this is how you can install a Maven. In the subsequent sessions and episodes we'll see more about the Maven, okay, which all different commands are there, and the architecture of Maven we'll see in details so that you'll understand these advantages better. Okay, so that's it for today's session guys. Thank you so much for watching this session.